What's up people? Today I will be showing you how to get a refund on Steam. First, if you are new to the channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon and never miss any update. Let's go. I don't have any game on my Steam account, so I am explaining you with some screenshots. Basically you want to do is, first of all, you have to ensure that you haven't played the game for more than 2 hours and you haven't owned the game for over 2 weeks. These are the terms and conditions to refunding a game on Steam. Let's go to the screenshots. So what you want to do is obviously go into Steam. Alright. Top left of the screen you should see Steam, click on. Then go to setting, navigate to account. Then view account detail, in the top right view purchase history. Simply click on the game that you want to refund and click on I would like a refund. On I would like to request your refund, click refund to my Steam wallet, or refund to Visa card or whatever card you used to buy the game. I'd like it go to my Steam wallet. Alright. Choose your reason. Go ahead and hit submit request, and there you go, your help's request has been submitted to Steam support, and within 2 hours to 6 hours requests should be reviewed and will send you an email. Then simply come back to Steam and you should see at the top it should say however much money you paid for the game. It's pending, so click on that. Alright. Money in your account available within 3 hours. That's it for today's video. Hope you all refund your game. Thanks for watching. If you like the videos, hit the like button.